What's up, everybody? Just wanted to make a quick video on how to sell your deals. So once you have a good deal, I want to go over a little bit kind of the steps we take to sell most of our deals. So first off, what we do is we go to realtor.com. And so then I go to find realtors, and then I search in a specific city. So say, Denver, Colorado. So then I search, and then what I do is instead of most recent activity, I do most recent sold listings. So people who are selling deals. I mean, you can honestly call any of these most recent activity, highest ratings, most recommendations. Like a lot of these people will be good people to call. But basically, what you do is you call them up. You tell them about the deal. Give them all the details they need. It's good if you have a little like property profile to send them, or if you have a website that you list your deals on, it's good to have something like that to send them. Tell them a little bit about the deal. Say, hey, I'm looking for a local investor to take this one off my hands. I'm a wholesaler. I'm looking to assign it. Do you have any cash buyers that you work with that are looking for a deal right now? And then if they do, you send that to them, and from there, they go and they see if they have a buyer that's interested, and then you follow up with them. Don't wait for them to call you. They might not call you back. It might take a while for them to call you back. So go out, be proactive, reach out to them, and see if they have a buyer. Obviously, give them a couple hours or maybe even until the next day before you follow up, but be proactive about it. So then after that, after we call, we probably call 20 to 30 of the top realtors in an area when we're looking to sell a deal. And then from there, we text out the deal. So if I'm looking for cash buyers in the area, I'm going to go to PropStream. If you don't have PropStream, PropStream is like a must-have tool for it. And then you filter out cash buyers. So you go here, the quick list. You go to cash buyers, and then I do a max of 1 year of ownership, so that I get all of the recent cash buyers. I don't want people that bought properties 10 years ago. I want who's buying deals right now. So I do the cash buyers. I download that, and then I text it. And then I do another list called the flippers. So these are agents who helped a flipper recently flip a house. And so then I'll download this list of flippers, and I'll text out that list. And basically, in dispositions, you want to get as many people to the property as possible. The more showings you have, the more people you have walk through the property, the more likely you are to get offers, and the better offers you're going to get. And the more money you're going to make, the more deals you're going to close. So that's a quick overview of our dispo process. We'll include a little sheet of a step-by-step process of how it goes, but that's pretty much an overview of it.